zone in into your specific niche and specialization that you really love to do, but also where you can help everybody as well. That way you feel confident, and it also allows you to see, who do I like to work with the most and what is truly my niche. Secret number 7 is to have a specialization and also feel confident in being able to work with anybody and everybody. So, what do I mean by that? It is important for the future of transformational coaching that you feel that you're really, really good at something specifically, and you feel that you can call yourself the expert in whatever area that is. For example, maybe you want to work with emotional eating and help others with their emotional eating habits. So calling yourself a specialist or an expert in that is really important. But then let's say you don't just want to work with emotional eating population. You want to be able to work with anxiety and parenting and struggles they have in their relationships and their negative thoughts and maybe trauma or whatever else it is. So you can feel like, yes, you can specialize, but yes, you can really help all these other beautiful souls as well. So what I was finding with my certifications and my degrees is that I was getting trained either in too much in one specific area, but again in a very narrow-minded way, or I was getting trained in very abstract ways where it's like, well, how do I even apply all this? How do I create an actual structure and a methodology that actually works and that I can actually apply in session with my clients? So it was either too abstract and generic or too specific, where again, it didn't allow for my own creativity and freedom and inspiration. So I truly believe the future of transformational coaching is where we can combine both. So maybe you want to be an expert in helping others with money blocks and release and break through some long-standing money beliefs and emotions and energies they have that keep them stuck in their finances and in their ability to experience abundance. Or maybe you want to help others regulate their nervous system. Or maybe you want to work with trauma, or maybe grief, or self-esteem, or anxiety, or single moms, or network marketing, or empaths and introverts, or men, or how to create healthy boundaries, or intimate relationships. Of course, I could go on and on and on this, but my point is, it is important that you select the certification program that allows you to zone in into your specific niche and specialization that you really love to do, but also where you can help everybody as well. That way you feel confident, and it also allows you to see, who do I like to work with the most and what is truly my niche, which is a whole other conversation.